Ngucanio gatagati ga ciama cia arutani iguru rigie mathomo ma junior secondary no ithiite nambere na gwithegea umuthi kiama kia arutani KNUT hamwe na kiama kia arutani anene thukuru-ini cia muthingi gia kepsha makiuguithaniirie ati arutwo a grade ya mugwanja magirirwo ni guthii nambere na guthomera thukuru-ini cia muthingi.
It is however ridiculous and very hypocritical that some people are calling for disbandment of the Presidential Working Party for reasons not benefiting the proposal for the same. And we want to say and reiterate that the Presidential Party, Working Party, is made up of who is who.
Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia KNUT Collins Oyu ni ugite ona thengia wa thukuru imwe cia muthingi gukorwo itakinyaniria maundu mothe maria marabatarania gukinyaniria githomo-ini kia junior secondary. Thirikari ni yambiriirie kumatangikira niguo kugacirithia githomo giki ari hamwe na gwakwo kwa rabu na kundu kwa Arutwo gwa guthomera.
Considering many factors, the age of the children in JSS, it is important for us to move and ascertain that these learners remain in the primary school. That last week the CS Education mentioned about the putting up of 8,000 laboratories in schools that have junior secondaries domiciled in them, and those are primary schools. That we as Kenya National Union of Teachers and kepsha support the recommendations so far given by the Presidential Working Party.
Ndeto-ini igie gutuma arutani thukuru-ini cia junior secondary ciama ici ni ciugite kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC iri na rekodi ya arutani 37,000 aria mari na uhoti wa guthomithia arutwo a grade ya mugwanja thukuru-ini cia junior secondary guku makiuga indo cia guthomithia arutwo thukuru-ini ici ni ikinyitie gicunje kia 78 harĩ 100 gukinyira arutwo mathukuru-ini matiganite ma muthingi.
Teachers in primary schools who have attained higher qualifications and have been with these learners are better placed to handle these areas than those teaching in secondary schools at the moment. Teachers are getting staffed either through deployment from one level to another, and instructional materials have already been supplied.
Ciama ici ni ciendekithitie thukuru ici gukorwo na murutani umwe munene uria uratongoria thukuru umwe kuma grade ya mbere nginyanagia grade ya kenda, kuona arutani aya mari na githomo gia gikiro kia diploma na degree, undu umwe na gukorwo na bodi imwe iria irarugamirira mihango ya githomo thukuru-ini ici.
We should have a debate over the one-year transition for our head-to-head junior secondary. Their qualifications here match so well with those who should be heading the junior secondary.
Maya mokite thiku igire thutha wa kiama kia arutani ya thukuru cia secondary KUPPET kwendekithia arutwo a grade ya mugwanja makorwo magithamirio thukuru-ini cia secondary, riendekithia riria rireganitwo nario ni kepsha na KNUT.